Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. I think even I'm getting fed up this post market report. Every day say the same thing. Every day say consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. And this is really, really frustrating. And 24,300 to 24,600. So in this range, and how many days this market is consolidating? And looks like it's going to consolidate like this only. Maybe we have how many more trading sessions for expiry? We have only about 8 more trading sessions. So this entire August series is just a complete consolidation. So, that today there was so many good news. The people said, Bharti Airtel increased the prices. So because of that, all the telecom stocks will be in focus. Then, Geo Credit, a foreign bank is coming and investing 50% because of that Reliance will be higher. But finally, nothing was higher. And surprisingly, today in my stock list, and I have banks like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, they're all down. And then Reliance Industries down. And IT, Infosys and TCS. So Infosys was down. But TCS, because it has already fallen so much yesterday, that has recovered slightly. So only these are the stocks I keep in my watch window. Because I'm worried about the index, because I trade only in indices. So like these are the major stocks that can contribute for the index. And everything was down. And as usual, sometimes in the afternoon, there was a recovery. So it's same thing. Yesterday also the same thing happened. In fact, yesterday 24,300 was broken and then recovered. And today also, market fell and then finally recovered. And then as usual, this, the people call it as a candle. The last 15 minutes, 3:15 to 3:30, okay. So that is a castle, we can say CAS candle. Okay, that's a really, really a scandal. And 78,000 call Sensex was trading around 2 rupees, in 2 minutes that shot up to 80 rupees. Put option was trading around 150, 160 rupees, in 2 minutes it has gone to zero. So this is really, really frustrating. The market is also frustrating, not going anywhere. This close action session also frustrating. Like 200 point up and 200 point down, you don't know where it is. At least in the pre-market, okay, we can see on the live what is the price going on. But here that also we cannot see. Suddenly they say, okay, 2 rupees, 80 rupees, 150 rupees, zero. Anyway, and now I have been telling you, okay, better close everything before 3:15. So you carry the position, so it's going to be very, very risky. Right. So this market is just consolidating, but I'm a little bit worried. Why? Because you see yesterday the domestic institutions have pumped in about 5,000, 6,000 crore, but market did not go anywhere. Market closed negative. And today just now I checked, once again the domestic institutions have pumped in 4,000 crore. Still market did not close positive. 9,000 crore, 10,000 crore if the domestic institutions are pumping. And FIIs are also not selling much. Then who is actually selling? Net institutional figure is, plus 8,000 crore plus yesterday and today. But despite that, the market is not going. And there is no negative news also. It's just a normal market. So this market is really, really frustrating. Just now I posted in my tweet, So if this continues for another 2 to 3 days, surely I'm planning to take some short position. And maybe the market is waiting for me to take short position, then only it may go higher. And of course, when I take a short position, it's not simply I will go short in future, and I will do it in such a way that, I will not lose money up to 26,000. So those who are interested may go and look at my Twitter handle. So just now I posted a strategy where I will be making some profit between 23,000 and 26,000. And although markets are not going higher, And I also strongly believe that this market is not going to fall below 23,000. So it's almost 2 years, just another 1.5 month. So 2 years will complete. And this market is not going for price correction. So this market is going for time correction. Just imagine 2 years, there's nothing. And they were like, today people were, telling me, one of my friends told me, sir, credit growth is happening, sir. I know that means, corporates are borrowing more. So that means they are confident about their future. So therefore their profitability increase. Okay, I told him, companies give value, but stock market give valuation. Look at the HDFC Bank. 5 years before, somewhere I saw the tweet. Okay, 5 years before, the earnings per share was 25 rupees. Now, after 5 years, their earnings per share has increased to 50 rupees, more than double. Logically, if the profit is more than double, the price should also double. But price is in the same place. 5 years, it is a zero return. So, what happens, economy may be good, corporate results may be good, but the PE contraction may happen. So, that is the exact point here. Even after this much of underperformance, after this much of correction, okay, is still among the developing countries index basket. So we are still highly valued. We are still highly valued compared to South Korea, China, Brazil, South Africa, and so on. Of course, Russia, no need to talk about Russia because the war is going on. Right? So short term, I just told you on the Tuesday evening. So for this week, 1 week, 24,200 to 24,800 is the range. And for the month, that means the following week also, the range will be 24,000 to 25,000. So that is the range, and people who are taking straddle, they are making profit every day. Every day morning we take straddle. By the end of the day, we make some profit. So we close it, we come out. Right? So we like nowadays, we don't even take overnight risk. We close everything, the next day morning we take. And every day we are making profit. So, money making should not be so easy, right? So sooner or later, something will have to happen and market has to break out, but I do not know. So everybody is getting frustrated. And, option traders, we don't have to worry because, the markets are not going anywhere. We are still making money because, we sell both call option and put option. But just imagine being an option trader, we are frustrated so much. What about the people who are the investors? And they'll be frustrated even more. Yeah. So by expecting this breakout, I also bought a lot of call options for December series. I'm hoping at least Nifty cross 25,000 by the end of December. Right? So that is the hope. So let us see. For short term, it's going to be difficult. And overall, today is a disappointing session. So let us see at least whether tomorrow, Friday, people will not like to carry positions over the weekend. So they may, if they are short, so who knows, they may go for short covering. So at least one short covering is required to take the Nifty closer to 24,600. But looks like 24,600 is going to be a stiff resistance until next Tuesday. So let us see what's going to happen. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.